In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV in ClickUp. This is a simple yet powerful way to bring your existing data into one organized workspace, whether it's coming from a spreadsheet or another tool. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to transfer your information smoothly and make it ready for use inside ClickUp. To begin, open ClickUp and sign in to your account. Once you're inside your workspace, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen where your profile icon is located. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, then select the Settings option to access your account configuration. Inside the Settings panel, scroll down until you find the section labeled Imports and Exports. This area is specifically designed for bringing data into ClickUp or moving it out when needed. Click on it to continue. From there, choose the Spreadsheet option to start the process of importing your CSV file. At this point, ClickUp will ask you to choose where your imported data should be placed. Click on the option to select a location, then pick the appropriate space within your workspace. This step is important because it determines where your tasks and information will appear once the import is complete. After making your selection, proceed to the next step. Now, you'll be prompted to upload your file. Click on the Upload button and locate your CSV file from your computer. Once selected, ClickUp will begin processing the file and preparing it for import. This usually takes just a few moments, depending on the size of your data. After the file is ready, continue to the next screen where you'll be guided through the mapping process. This is where you match the columns from your CSV file to the correct fields in ClickUp, such as task names, dates, or other details. Take your time here and review everything carefully to ensure your data is aligned properly. Accurate mapping will save you time later and prevent the need for corrections. Once you're satisfied with how everything is set up, finalize the import. ClickUp will then automatically create tasks and organize your data based on the structure you defined. In just a short time, your information will be fully integrated and ready to use. With that, you've successfully imported your CSV file into ClickUp and can start managing your data more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.